Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to see people's birthdays on Snapchat. So the first thing that we should do is head over to Snapchat, of course. So here we are on Snapchat, and what we should do now is head over to chats over here. And then if you scroll down, we should be able to see people's birthdays. But right now, there is none. And in order to see, what you can do is click on someone's profile, and you'll see here on the next to their name is that November 21, which is their birthday. And one neat trick that you can do is once you click on that, you'll see the birthdays of other people that has set their birthdays on Snapchat. And that's it. That is how you can see their birthdays on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!